Hi everybody, back here in the automotive. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. A Cayenne GTS MK3 came in for a slight hesitation at low throttle, or light throttle. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to check everything. So what I've done, I'll check the solenoid for the intake there. The vacuum line was good. I even put the actual vacuum tester on it. The vacuum tester hold pressure. I was holding vacuum, sorry, not pressure. And what I've done, I'm gonna remove the covers, and I'm gonna check the coil scope later to make sure the coil is firing properly. But just looking at the part number, it's the part number of the coil. I'm gonna ring up and see if that's make sure that part number is updated. If it's updated coils, we have to replace that too. What I found was the intake oil vapor separator right there, this one here, it's full of oil right there, if you see it there. So you got crankcase pressure coming up, and then that air is going to go somewhere. So that air is going to go back to the intake and go back into the piston and get it burned again. So when you look down there, that's full of oil as well. So that means the intake manifold, it goes from here to there. The intake manifold is full of oil as well. So I've got to replace this one here. At the same time, I'm going to take the intake manifold off, and I have to clean all the oil from the inside the intake manifold off. Otherwise it just stick around there. It's not good. Otherwise it will slowly come back. Sometimes oil mist will actually damage the actual air mass meter as well. So I'm going to do some more checking later on, and then I'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.